Linus's bath.
Dear 21 and
Is it
Andy
the right temperature?
Yeah.
gives Linus a bath.
Don't drop him like.
You have to
low
put your
knee.
elbow in.
I've tested it. I've tested it.
Ow.
There he is. Do you like that? Do you like
I
that?
don't think he does. Now we have to get him a bit. Oh my god. And
Put his bubbles on.
I think we have to lower ourselves down to his. Oh, towels in the bath.
Oh
You can never be dry.
no! We can use Kate's hair towel.
Can we? Oh, baby.
If you need-
Put his bubbles on.
Oh, he looks like the saddest little puppy I've ever seen. You good boy.
Don't get it in his eyes.
You need to rub it in, Andy.
Oh, it's cold.
I'm not sure Andy's had. I'm not sure Andy's ever bathed a puppy before. Hey, oh, you're a good boy.
Yeah, I'm alright.
Good boy, Linus. Good boy. Let's get your tail. Oh.
Let's level up your tail.
Don't deliver it before you put it on him.
Oh.
Should we wash his little leg?
Yeah. Oh, Linus, are you having a little bath?
Is it relaxing? Yeah.
I think he's really relaxed.
Gonna sleep well tonight.